Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What I want to do in this video is share with you some news regarding the nodes. So guys, the MELD static nodes are now available to mint. So you can pick them up if you are whitelisted. So we've done a video on that in the past. So what I recommend for you guys to do is type in here MELD static nodes or just scroll down. And I've got a step-by-step tutorial right here. MELD zkBanking nodes, how to mint the MELD nodes. So here you will learn step-by-step. It's a 20-minute video roughly. And if you watch that, you will get everything you need. I will talk a little bit on the steps and how you can do it. But if you want a full-blown tutorial teaching you, how to bridge everything from going from ADA to MELD, then picking up one of the nodes using a stable coin, then yeah, you can do that. So I recommend to watch that video and of course subscribe as well. So this is the announcement and it's right here. So this is revolved around the latest Twitter space. So a few things are announced. We're going to be doing a different video. Basically, lending and borrowing is going to be coming out October 8th. So that will be launched, as well as the app for your mobile. That's going to be coming soon. So guys, a lot is happening. But ultimately, the lending and borrowing on your desktop is going to be here within a week or so. So guys, it is nodesale.meld.com. You can also go to the link tree. So as I talked about before, you guys can use this as your guide. But the first link here, MELD node sale, this will take you directly to the node sale. If it ever changes, I'll update the link tree. So I use this for myself as well as to help you guys out. So in that tutorial, like I mentioned, right? So you guys can watch the zkBanking node tutorial. In that tutorial, you will learn how to connect your wallet and get everything set up. So we'll talk about it a little bit in this video. So here we're just going to load this up. So here we logged into our MELD app. And what's interesting is that we will see a lending and borrowing within 5 to 6 days approximately. So that's going to be really cool. So right now I don't have a lot of MELD. I'm not going to be doing a step-by-step tutorial because I just don't want to have to connect everything and do it all. I don't have time today. But as you can see, I am bullish on MELD. If I were to connect my hardware wallets, which I don't have on me, I've got a ton of MELD just staking. So I'm not very liquid with even MELD right now. I've got some lock stuff. But here I've got some Tether. And basically, if you do want to mint one of these, go to the link. It'll take you here. Of course, you can purchase the dynamic node, but what we're looking at is the static. And the reason you want to pick up one of these is because of the discount. So there's a lot of math included. The Mooseonomics, we're not going to be doing that. But basically, if you are eligible for the whitelist, this was, I believe, open and close pretty swiftly. But there will be 4 periods where you'll be able to get one of these. So don't worry if you're not whitelisted yet, they will open up. But basically, the static nodes are going to operate a bit different. So with these, they have a fixed APY of roughly 48%. And the reason it says 450%, I think that's because it's based on multiple years. So do not quote me on that, as well as just investing principles as well. Invest at your own risk. So I'm just sharing with you what you can do here. So basically, you guys can connect your wallet via MetaMask, whatever other browser tool you want to use. We're going to use Wallet Connect. So here, what we're going to do is copy this and we're going to go to our MELD wallet, go up here and paste it. Once we do that, we're now connecting our MELD wallet, right, to the MELD nodes. Okay, so here we can then purchase, right, if we're whitelisted. So I'm whitelisted. So with this wallet, I am good to go. So you would hit purchase, select your amount. And if you don't have any USDC and you also need Gmeld, guys, again, I have tutorials on this. So watch this video. It will take you step by step on how to do that. But what you can do if you don't have gMeld, a couple things you could do. If you have MELD on Cardano, you can hit this bridge button, bridge your tokens over. So again, I have a tutorial just on that. I also have a gMeld video. So swiftly, I'll show you here. You're going to click on your MELD. Here we got 204 tokens. And here we're going to unwrap MELD. So when you unwrap MELD, it turns into gMeld. So let's say we do, I don't know, even 10 MELD. Here we're going to unwrap, and that will give us 10 gMeld. There we go. So you receive 10 gMeld. So that's added to our balance there. So now we have 150. Okay. So that's how you do that. In order to pick up USDC or USDT, let's go through it here. So here I got 37 USDT. You need 80 plus, I believe it's 10 gMeld. So let's say you want to pick some up. You're going to want to use Azomi. Same thing. Go to connect. Do it via wallet connect. You're going to copy this. So here we'll just copy or scan it. And then what we're going to do is paste it. I'm pretty sure we can do multiple. I'm not entirely sure. Here we go. So now we have Azomi connected to our wallet. And now if we click, we can see our assets. So sometimes it takes a bit of time to load. But from there, since we have our wallet connected, we can now swap our tokens. So here we're on Azomi. We can go MELD and swap for some USDC, USDT. I found that USDT worked for me, so that's what I would recommend at this point in time. Perhaps it's different in the future. So here, let's say you want to do, let's see, how much would you need? I guess you need, 10,000 MELD should probably do it. That'll give you at least 80 bucks. So here, you'll be able to make the swap. So that's USDT, and there's also USDC. So I just don't have a lot of MELD liquid right now. I could get some. I just didn't do that. All right. So once you have that, you can then purchase your static node. So I think these are going to do well over time. The main reason you'd want to get a static node, first off, it's going to be easy for you to earn rewards. You're not going to have to run these. MELD will do that on their end. So if we go to my NFTs, you guys can see what the node will look like. After you purchase your static node or dynamic node, this is what it will look like in your wallet. And by the way, I always love MELD's look and aesthetics. So this kind of feels like, like a paper dollar bill, at least kind of like the old Canadian dollars, like the $10 bill. It kind of has this nice currency kind of feel to it. But basically, it's an NFT. And what it does is it allows you to be able to claim your rewards based on activity for the banking side. Also, what's great about these nodes is that they will be starting as early as January 1st, 2025. So that's just in a few months here. And you should be able to claim rewards quarterly. So you'll be able to do it 4 times a year. And yeah, this one's valued at $250. And yeah, that's kind of what we know right now. So of course, we're talking about the static nodes. So if you guys want to pick one up, you can pick one up. That's all we got for you guys. If you are interested in more content, we are producing videos every week on the channel. So guys, comment down below, like, subscribe, check out the link tree. You can also head over, pick up a Tangem using code MOOSE. You can save 10% off a Tangem today. This wallet I use all the time. Pick one up for under 50 bucks. On top of that, we also have a free Cardano mini course. This will get you started, and we have other masterclasses, etc., and links to help you with your crypto journey. So with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.